To add a cover photo, you just come up here to the top left-hand corner of your main page and you click on where it says add cover photo, and then you'll have these 4 options come down. So you've got the first one, it says select a photo, which means if you have a photo in your photo gallery that you've already uploaded on Facebook, you can use that for your background, but we don't. Second option is to select some artwork which is already supplied to you by Facebook. You have some still images, and the ones with the play button, they will give you some videos, so you can have this video, animated video playing in the background. Let me cancel that. And there's also, let me go back to artwork, there's also a 360 panoramic image, 3D image that you can put there as well. That'll be kind of cool as well. Let me cancel that so I can go to the other options. You can create a collage. So if you have more images in your Facebook photo gallery, you can put a few together and Facebook will be able to build a collage for you for your banner. Let's come out of that. And finally, if you wanted to upload your own artwork, we can just go to upload photos. Okay, and then your Explorer window comes up. Just navigate to where your banner is. Okay. Your image will come, and then you have an opportunity to drag. Depending on the size of your image, you can either drag left or right, but mine is just up or down. Just situate it as the way you want and hit save changes on the right. And there you have it. You have a background banner image for your personal page.